and honestly a bit of a relief as well, because this film took its time. It had its long hibernation process to much and frustration of Aarti Krishna here. But any creative process takes time. We spent close to 350 days in the field documenting wildlife across Tamil Nadu. And Tamil Nadu generally, when people talk about wildlife of Tamil Nadu, if you look up on Google, it's usually Mudumalai, Anandalais. These are the places to go across the length and breadth of Tamil Nadu, the mainland of Tamil Nadu, and showcase some of those lesser known animals. We are probably one of the first ones who filmed an animal called as Metas hedgehog, which is only found in Tamil Nadu, nowhere else in the world.
What sequences we wanted to build, we actually put somebody else also on our task. The music is required to be shaped. For ideas, he had his own ideas, how he would like to compose the music, and the way the
congratulate you, great film that you made, and Vicky for adding so much value and substance to the film itself. I fell in love with the film, and I quite enjoyed the process of playing the role of the narrator, and it was the first for me. I've always loved watching wildlife films, and of course the benchmark for all of us is Sir Attenborough, but obviously what we do will be nowhere close to that, but he's an inspiration, and I've done my best in this, and I've enjoyed the process. I think it's come out well. What I want to also say is that you'll be listening to me for the next 1 hour, so I don't want to talk too much. Thank you.
And make sure we have I'd like to invite Saloni, our production coordinator. Can I have you on? Mr. Dilip. Mr. Martin. So today we have launched Wild Tamil Nadu. This is really a tribute to the state. Amazing wildlife that we have, from mountains of Western Ghats from 2,800 meters to under the ocean. Amazing diversity, and we've been privileged enough to not only see this amazing wildlife, but document it and show it.
It's a very large team effort, very planned. Every shoot was very, very planned. We knew exactly what we were looking for. It took us 5 years to finish this film. And the team which has shot it, the team which edited it, the music from Ricky, the voice of Arvind Swamy, all put together, I think the film has created a magic.
And also we are very fortunate by Sundaram Fasteners, because as you know, TDS has so much legacy in Tamil Nadu in protecting nature and environment. So we are really happy to have collaborated with Sundaram Fasteners, Aarti Krishna, who has produced this film, and together we've been able to showcase Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, I mean, it was actually Aarti Krishna's, I would say, vision. And this is the CSR initiative of Sundaram Fasteners. We could partner, we could come up with a film like this, we could make it mainstream. If the wildlife doesn't become mainstream, not many people are going to watch. But with this whole combination, the way the film has come up, I would say this is a mainstream film. And I believe that every person from Tamil Nadu will be really proud of this film.